Welcome back to Tile and Bath Inspirations House Reels. Last episode, we shared with you our bathroom picks, and now, join us as we finalize our floor tiles. Choosing the right tile design for your floor is crucial for several reasons. Your choice of tiles can significantly impact aesthetics, functionality, and overall ambience of your house. It serves aesthetic and style, it enhances decor, space perception, durability and maintenance, functionality, longevity, and of course, your personal satisfaction. Choosing the right tile for different areas of our house was one of the hardest decisions we made. We had to consider a lot of things before we came up with our final choices. Of course, for us, there are non-negotiable factors like the colors, design, and material. And there were also features that's good to have like anti-slip tiles, scratch-proof tiles, antibacterial tiles, and more. And because there's a lot of options, MOLINO, ALAPLANA, GUOCERA, ARGENTA, LUXE, Shape, Fino, Rialto, GUOCERA, and Ticera, we became more deliberate lalo na sa mga special features. At first, we didn't know na may mga gantong features pala ang tiles, so we are very excited to share with you our picks. Whenever we choose tiles, it is very important to consider how we want the space to look like kasi it's a huge factor sa overall ambience of the space. As homeowners, we find comfort and assurance in knowing that our tiles are not just decorative. They also have functional and special features that enhance our daily lives and overall comfort. It is important to select the right tiles for your home based on your specific needs and preferences. Since these tiles are an integral part of your daily routine and contribute to the quality, style, and comfort of your home, it's important to ensure that they meet your standards and requirements. See you again soon in the next episode as we share with you the installation process of everything we chose. For more info, go to any CW Home Depot branch or Cebu Home and Builder Center and look for Spanish tiles, LUXE Premium Tiles, GUOCERA, Taisera, and many more. Or visit our Facebook page at Tile and Bath Inspirations. You may also follow our social media accounts.